Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about growing pomegranate from cuttings. So this is the plant which I have last year in October. So it was about to go in dormancy and I have to prune it for the next year. So I have decided to take its cutting and try to grow indoor in water. So I have taken like 7 to 8 cuttings, and then I take a glass jar and put all of them in that, and I was waiting so if they will grow or will form any roots or not. So after 8 to 10 weeks, because this was the old weather, cold weather, and they were indoor and the temperature was outside -10 or -15 degrees centigrade. So they started showing some roots and shoots. After 10 weeks, their progress is very slow, but I am happy that at least they have some roots and the shoots. So I will keep them indoor till the next summer. So when the temperature will start warming up, then I will put them outdoor. So you can see the roots and the shoots are very good, and out of 8, only 3 of them survived, and rest of them could not survive. So I think that if you prune your any tree, so you can put them in water, their branches, and they will start forming roots in the winter time indoor. It will take time, but at least you will get some more plants. So you can grow your precious plants in this way. So you can see they have some roots, and some of them don't have any roots. So I am going to put them say in separate containers so that they can grow their roots and they don't fight each other for the nutrient. So this is only in water. You can put some liquid fertilizer, but I'm not going to put any fertilizer. You can see the roots now, and they have quite good big roots, and they will develop more roots because I have more time, like 1.5 month more. They will be indoor, so they will once they will get more roots, then I will put them outdoor in with some potting mix in the ground or in the pod. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you will also grow the cuttings in this way. Don't throw your pruned cuttings. They will be useful for you. So try to make more and more plant. Thank you guys, and please subscribe and share my videos. I will be thankful to you. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.